Well, I'm going to show you a new method today that can help you make some extra money every single day. You can make $500 or even $1,000 a day, and it's absolutely easy to do. Now, you don't need any experience for this, no skills really, and it's really awesome to do. You can do this from your phone or even from your computer, it doesn't really matter. And what I love about this is that it's absolutely free. You don't have to worry about paying any money to register or anything like that. And what's great as well is that it's available worldwide. Africa, Australia, Europe, Asia, America, South America, all the continents, wherever you're from, you can get access to this opportunity. Now, all I need you to do is actually watch this video all the way to the end, because if you miss a step, you might not make as much money as people who are going to watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you the secret that you're going to apply, which can help you make a lot of money. Now, before everything, just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button, subscribe. It's absolutely free and I would really appreciate it. And turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video to help you make money online, you'll easily be able to watch my videos. So, the website I want to show you today is called Tube Arsenal. Now, what is Tube Arsenal? Well, do you know that on YouTube, most channels, they have like an intro to their videos. So there's always that intro that they use at the beginning of their videos. If you're a YouTuber or you're somebody who watches YouTube a lot, you'll know that most channels, they have like that intro video at the beginning of their videos to just show that it's their brand, it's their channel. So now Tube Arsenal is a platform where there are actually all these available types of intros that you can actually use for your specific videos, for your channel, for anybody's channel. So there are all kinds of, there's something maybe like anime or for gaming, or maybe for like fashion, maybe for food, sports, transport, cars and stuff like that. Whatever you're doing, whether it's a news channel, there's always something different that you can do. So if we check on to view all, there are actually many more that you can actually have a look at. As you can see over here, there's so many different kind of intros that you can actually use and actually apply them to your actual YouTube channel. Now, how are we going to make money from this? Now, first of all, I want to show you an example of one. Let's choose this one for example. As you can see over here, so that's basically it. We can see that this is something maybe for like a technology channel. So what's great about this is that you can actually just change the words over here. Over here, you can just change the words, maybe put in whatever you want for your channel, whatever your channel is called. You can change the color of it and everything. So it's something you can customize. You can easily just customize, and maybe if your channel is called, I don't know, maybe like Techno World. Let's say it's called Techno World. So when you put in Techno World, you can actually save that and it will actually become Techno World. But before everything, you need to create an account for yourself, and it's absolutely free to register. So you can just alter the name over here, and depending on whatever you have chosen, for example, here we have Snake Arsenal. You can change that. Here it's Tube Comics. You can change that to maybe like whatever your gaming channel is. So now once you have whatever you have chosen, I'm going to show you where you can actually sell these actual intros. So you want to come onto Fiverr, then you want to type in YouTube intro. So when you type in YouTube intro, it's going to filter and actually give you results of people who actually want to provide you with YouTube intros. For example, this guy says, I will create a YouTube intro and outro. And he's going to charge you $25. I will create high resolution YouTube intro video, $20. I will do epic gaming YouTube intro and outro logo animation, $10. So you can see that all these people are actually going to do the same thing. But what they're actually going to be doing is actually just go onto Tube Arsenal and actually just choose something over here, whatever they choose, and then they want to just edit it with the name of your channel, and then they're going to sell it to you, and you're going to pay maybe $20 or $25 or $10 depending on whatever they've charged you. So Fiverr is a great platform to sell YouTube intros, because a lot of people come to Fiverr to actually request YouTube intros because they don't really have time to create it and all. So people are taking advantage of this opportunity and just going onto Tube Arsenal, and just depending on what you like, they're just gonna select maybe whatever suits your category of videos, and they're gonna select something, and they're just gonna edit it and put in your channel name, and then they're gonna sell it to you on Fiverr. So as you can see, I will do YouTube intro and promo video with logo animation, $15. I will make YouTube high quality intro or outro, $20. So we have $25, $20, $15. Now you can do the same because it's absolutely easy. You can get everything on Tube Arsenal. So you just want to create an account on Fiverr. Once you create your account, you just want to become a seller, and then you want to sell as well. You want to say, hi, I'm so and so. I would like to let you know that I can create a YouTube intro or an outro for you, and I will charge you maybe $20 or $25. And you can get about 10 people a day and make maybe $250, even more, make $500 a day, because everybody is now trying to actually get intros for the channel. And you can just actually go onto YouTube and look for small channels that have just started, and you can actually check their emails, and you can send them an email letting them know that, hey, I can create a YouTube intro for you, and all you need to do is just pay me $25. I'll create the actual video for you, and just pay me $25, and they'll pay you because they've just started out their channel and they're very interested and they believe you're a professional. And all you need to do is you want to go back onto Tube Arsenal and then find something reasonable depending on their category of content, and then you can just sell it to them. Now, another platform that you can use is People Per Hour. People Per Hour is also a place where you can actually sell YouTube intros. Now, People Per Hour, all you need to do is you want to sign up. So it's absolutely free. Just put in your basic details, your name, your email, password. You know how it goes. People Per Hour is just a place where people provide jobs, and then people like you and I who are freelancers are going to actually do the jobs and get paid. As you can see, there are over 1 million projects that are available, which means there are 1 million businesses, 1 million projects that you can do. And so far they've paid £137,354,376 to workers like you and I, and they're in great connection with like big names like Forbes, The Independent, Financial Times, CNBC, Business Insider, BBC. So all you want to do once you have your account, you're going to see over here, search. You want to click on search projects. Once you've clicked on search projects, it's going to give you all the available projects. As you can see over here, different kinds of projects. All you want to do is you want to see something like, you want to type in YouTube intro, just to know that people are actually posting this over here. So YouTube intro. Someone is saying that, hey, I need an anime like intro for YouTube. He's going to pay you $91. That is a lot of money for doing basically nothing. Just go onto Tube Arsenal and basically just get what you need to get. Something in anime, you can just find something in the department of anime. There are so many there's so many pages filled with different kinds of templates that you can use. So you don't need to be restricted based on the different kinds of channels that there are. Whatever they've decided to let you know, if it's an anime or whatever, a sports channel, you can just find one over here. So this is people per hour, as you can see over here. An animated YouTube intro. I mean, people are actually willing to pay you $133 for an animated YouTube intro. And trust me, you'll get what you need on Tube Arsenal. That is the beauty of Tube Arsenal. Tube Arsenal will provide you with reasonable templates that you can just modify and just change the name, and it's very easy to do. So this is what I want to show you today. Remember, it's Tube Arsenal. So it's tubearsenal.com. Very, very cool website that you can use. Just change the name that you see over here, and you can either use Fiverr to promote the fact that you are actually able to do this, or you can use people per hour. So that is the awesome thing I want to show you. It's easy money. Easy money. You can do this every single day. And the good thing is that once you've put up your ad on Fiverr, you've let people know that, hey, I will do this and that. Trust me, every single day people are browsing Fiverr and they're definitely going to click on yours. So you just want to check the different kinds of prices that there are and make sure that yours isn't too expensive. Make sure that yours, for example, someone is saying he will do it for $15, so $20. So maybe someone says $10. Maybe start with $10 because people are saying $25, and maybe somebody might not want to pay $25 because right next to what he has seen there's somebody saying $10. So why not pay $10 instead of $25? So you just want to keep it at, let's say $10, so that you can get more of the customers to come to you. You get more chance. So that's what I want to show you. It's a cool tip, it's a cool secret, and it's easy. You don't need to create the whole video with skills and all that stuff. You don't need any knowledge on how to create a YouTube intro. No, just go to Tube Arsenal. Everything is done for you and you can make easy money every single day. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, comment any questions you have in the comment section below, turn on all post notifications. Subscribe if you haven't already to the AD Money channel right now. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll be providing you with a new video very, very soon. If you haven't watched the rest of my videos, just go to my channel and watch all my videos. There's so many tips to help you make more money online. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.